Okay.
Ito te, you can
Welcome to our vlog.
here you can create your own ice cream. Fried ice cream. We call it fried ice cream. And you can
tayo.
choose any flavor you
daming
want.
drinks.
And this one is different kinds of beverage.
From different kinds of country also. Anong lugar to, Nice? Anong lugar to?
Some kind of, Western something.
Big shawarma. Ito, wow, sarap.
This one is like Asian food.
Oh.
Down here is like, okay, you come check.
Ito po siya.
It's like a Western food from that one, burgers. That one is
Cheese sticks.
Welcome to our restaurant.
yeah, maybe we'll
American food.
American. You have steak?
Yeah.
yeah, they have steak.
Burger, steaks.
Puro burger. Okay. We'll check later. Thank you.
And this one is,
Sari-sari store.
yeah, no,
Meron din silang tindahan dito.
like a Western store.
Ito po yung vlog ni Ivana Malmalawi.
And this one,
Ito po yung mga pandesal.
I guess it's Turkish.
Pandesal ng Russia. Uy, mag-ana-ana ba?
Lagi, mamaya. And that's it.
Ano lang po kayo kung anong gusto nyong ipasasalubong sa inyo mamaya. Pag nagugas na kami ng pinggan. Okay.
This one is Indian food.
Okay.
Down there is Indian food.
Ngayon po hindi na kayo magtataka kung bakit marami dito ang nagiging positive.
If you're a vegetarian, you can order.
No, I'm not a vegetarian. I'm babutarian.
This one is a prawn, like
Uy.
seafood. Yeah. Seafood.
Okay, next time later.
Here is it's like Georgian food.
Oo, Georgian food. Ito yung lagi in-order ng amo ko. It's like that.
We are a vegetarian. And China.
Ayoko na ng China. I hate now.
Here you can order live crab.
What?
Live.
Live what? Prawns.
Crab.
Crab. May crab dito. Dito?
Yeah, dyan na lang to.
Ang galing. It's my first time here. Okay, this is
They don't have a crab. They only have this kind of oyster.
oh my god, may oysters sa bahay.
Yeah, that one is the Indian. You want to go there?
Pag kakain na tayo, ano ba gusto mo kakainin?
Tinatur pa nga kita, di ba?
Okay, doon tayo, gumanon tayo. Tinutur niya ako, nasan siya palagi, gabi-gabi. Ito po yung toilet nila. What do you call this place?
It's a Central Market.
Central Market.
And if you want some peace and you have an date, you can go there.
Oh, peace of mind. Not rest in peace, ha?
And the elevator.
Wala siyang continuation doon?
No, because it's a bar.
Okay. Siya, maganda. Pas kami na elevator kasi...
So, we will go down in the ground floor you want.
Okay.
And then we will go up later.
Okay.
Then, you have to think what do you want.
No, final na yon sa akin. Yun ang gusto ko matikman dito.
What do you want?
Indian.
Huh?
Indian food.
Okay, we will go up later.
Magpaguto muna tayo. Final na yon. Okay, let's go inside.
Yeah, this is the elevator of the Central Market.
Oh my God, para na akong gusgusin,
Pinindot ko yung negative 1 tsaka 1.
Negative na nga sa labas, negative pa yung pinindot mo dito. Ayan po, magkasama po kami ngayon.
Yeah.
Kami
I'm
po
touring her around.
Ivana Malmalawi tsaka yung sister na si Mona. Kiki. Okay, is this the ground floor or no? Okay, go down. Better go down. Galing din po ako sa palengke. Kung napapansin niyo, may dala akong bag na malengke ako. So, kompleto pala dito. Mababa ba tayo? Hindi.
Yeah.
Oh, paano marunong? Curious na.
Okay.
Ano madali eh?
Yeah. And this is it.
Excuse me.
The other side.
Oh. Parang mas may peace of mind dito.
And the market. And toilet. There's a fish. Cheese.
May suka ba dito, nice? Kasi kailangan kong bumili ng
Baka
suka.
gusto mo doon.
I think it's very expensive here.
So yesterday I was here.
So, araw-araw ka nandito.
I love this place.
Okay.
I love the food.
So, thank you for bringing me on this place. Yan po yung mga seafoods nila. Ano yan? Ano?
Fish.
Grilled? Oh, sarap.
Bar.
Parang Arabic to, nice. Arabic.
Oo. Turkish.
Arabic sweets.
This one is seafood.
Sushi bar. Sizzling ba yun? Hindi.
May ano siya.
So, let's go up.
So that one is steak. And again, it's a vegetarian.
What is that? Kitupuki?
Yeah, vegetarian. So we will go up.
Kitupuki.
Because we already go down. So this is the ground floor, and then we will go to the second floor, and then we will go again.
Pag
to the
naging
third
successful
floor.
vlogger po kami, uuwi na kami sa Pilipinas. Kasi tumitiklop na kami sa lamig eh. Arabic food next time, tiktikman natin.
So we will go upstairs. There's a stairs
Yeah.
over there.
Busy ang ano na to ah.
Ang ano lang to dito, kasi kapag ganitong oras, wala masyadong what? Lalo na kapag Friday.
Wala pa ito masyado kumakain. Uy, sarap.
Sa Pilipina yung Korean na yun.
Ano, wigyan ka? Mamaya.
Pupunta ba natin sa
Yan, para yun yung in-order natin sa ano ah.
That one is a fresh food.
No, I don't like it. I can blend the fruit in the house. Chinese. Galing akong palengke.
Forever ko.
Oh, yeah. I think so. Indian? Indian na yan? Ewan ko na yung mga burger. Kain po kami sa Indian restaurant. Na-miss namin yung Indian restaurant. Tabu bar. Okay. Mamimili po muna kami.
So this is the Indian.
Indian. Okay.
Welcome to India.